I needed ample hard drive space for storing my numerous videos. So, I made my way to the local computer shop and acquisition a 1 terabyte external hard drive from them. I was told that it was an SSD disk from Western Digital, and that it was quality, and that's why it cost a little more than the others. So, I happily drove home after making sure to connect my new SSD-based disk to my USB 3.2 port effectively too. So, I attempted to move a few video files to the external hard drive. However, things didn't work out as expected. It was quite slow, clocking in at just around 4 MBs. To be honest, it wasn't what I had been promised. What drew my attention was that, after moving the video files to the new SSD disk, it turned out they couldn't be read anymore. I then proceeded to attempt to open the cabinet for the new hard drive. And quite honestly, I was expecting to find a slightly larger or more substantial hard drive within. However, there was the unexpected answer hiding inside the box. It was quite a remarkable discovery to see what was actually inside. Upon opening the cabinet, I found that instead of a new, larger hard drive, I was confronted with a rather ordinary USB 2 drive and an accompanying USB adapter. It appeared as though it was a genuine USB 3 hard drive. Surprisingly, I also came across a steel plate slapped slap bang in the middle of the box. But what was even more interesting was that it made the drive appear somewhat heavier than it actually was. So you could easily convince yourself that it was a real, genuine SSD disk. Conclusion: it is practically impossible to avoid falling prey to scams when purchasing electronic devices. I was fortunate enough to not realize that I was being deceived while shopping at the store. As a result, it is of utmost importance to make sure that you choose electronic stores that you can have confidence in and employ staff who possess the necessary knowledge and expertise. To discuss product features and details,